Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to uncover the secret behind the skyrocketing popularity of one particular microphone that seems to be taking the world by storm. It's called the Now. You might be wondering, why is everyone buying this mic? Well, there are a few key reasons that have made it a favorite among professionals and amateurs alike. First and foremost, its exceptional sound quality sets it apart from the competition. It delivers crystal clear audio with remarkable clarity, capturing every nuance of your voice or instrument. Whether you're a podcaster, musician, or content creator, this mic ensures that your recordings always sound top-notch. But it doesn't stop there. It is also incredibly versatile. With its adjustable settings, you can easily customize the sound to suit your specific needs. Whether you prefer a warmer tone or a crisper sound, this mic has got you covered. Another reason behind its immense popularity is its durability. It is built to last, with a sturdy construction that can withstand even the most demanding environments. So, whether you're recording in a professional studio or on the go, this mic is sure to withstand the test of time. And let's not forget about its sleek design. It boasts a modern and stylish look that will elevate the aesthetic of any recording space. Its ergonomic design also ensures comfortable use, allowing you to focus solely on your creative process. Final words? Well, it's no wonder that it has become the go-to choice for so many individuals looking to enhance their audio recordings. Its outstanding sound quality, versatility, durability, and attractive design make it a must-have for any aspiring or professional content creator. So, if you're looking to take your recordings to the next level, we highly recommend checking out the Once You Try It. You'll understand why everyone is raving about it. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and found it helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to never miss any of our future videos. Stay tuned for more exciting content on our channel.